London's Leicester Square by His Majesty the King. He's been greeted from the car by their new chair of the film and TV charity. They're making their way into the cinema, where there are a few people that King Charles will meet. He's already met. And John is the UK Managing Director of Paramount Pictures. Liz is the Executive and Marketing Publicity of Paramount Pictures.
Yes, as well.
Are you making another film?
Yes.
John is the Managing Director of Paramount Pictures UK for 9 years. And previously, he was Marketing Director.
Absolutely, yeah, we did. But that is the thing, exactly. We're going to take it down the road.
And the cost.
Play Lucy. Yes.
I'm going to catch up.
You'll see it now.
How close is it to the last one? Is it continuing?
You know, I can talk after the time.
Yeah. I didn't know if I was supposed to grab your hand or not, but on it.
So are you playing some practical?
Just, you know, an awful. I'm a lovely man, you'll see. I'm a lovely chap and doing my best.
You've been in so many films, though. It's fantastic.
Thank you. Thank you.
In cases? Is that some French? So we still
It could be. You'll have to watch it.
Was it all made in a studio?
No, it was all locations and sets. Yeah, we're on one all the time.
You're on to endless other films.
Yes, yes, both in the first and the second.
I'm very catch up because I never saw So I'm based in the UK. I am, yes. I played the other one of them. Yes. Usually it is. It's great. Lots of artists. Probably is a good open couple of rounds.
I can't remember now.
The other.
Yeah, they really were. They're 20s, yeah.
Did you see the original?
We had, yeah, when I was quite young and then watched it a lot after.
It's always a difficult doing the sequels like the festival.
Yeah.
This is your classic.
Oh, I see. Where was it? Didn't do yourself any
Not yet, no.
lots of
A little bit, just a little bit.
Good evening, sir. Which they put you in? What road? One which they bumped me up. Just token.
straight away.
Just token. Yes.
So not the chorus or the road line.
This is the producer.
I love to see it. Yes, twice in one day. It's a real honor.
Top of the day.
Yeah.
It was worth it. It was worth the wait.
Thank you so much for gracing us with your presence tonight. And for what you do for British cinema. Thank you.
What's some of the
Your Royal Highness, thank you. We just met. Thank you very much for honouring us with your presence.
Pleasure. Paramount Pictures.
Going back.
Los Angeles, yes. Everyone. Yes. And I have
Daria oversees films from development to release. Just
my pleasure. Pleasure to meet you.
Enjoy.
Everything. A little bit.
Once this is over.
Yeah, exactly. It's not white stuff. It's white market.
It's going to be Mark Weinstock, President of Worldwide Marketing Distribution.
Yes, exactly.
And there are a lot of fans, aren't there, in the first one?
Yes.
How long is it since the first one?
20. A lot of excitement.
It's like Star Wars.
Yes.
And the key now is to Mark President of International Theatrical Distribution of Paramount Pictures. He has been at Paramount for 20
Releasing around the entire world, so it takes a long time. Yes, sir. Chris Harrison,
Christopher Aronson is the President of Domestic Distribution of Paramount
Based in
Pictures.
Los
He joined
Angeles.
Paramount in 2019.
I take care of North America.
Still half an inch left on it, thank you.
It's quite a big team. Which would make such a difference with the fans. With the charity.
No, no, with a charity. I work at a company called 64, so we do a lot of things around that.
Oh, do you? Well, that's great.
Thanks for your sustainability work. A leader.
It's going backwards at the moment.
Oh, no.
Another trustee of our charity.
So how long do you do? 4 years? 6 years?
We can do up to 6 years. Yes, it's a wonderful charity.
Look. Where's your mother? Is she here? So we're going to go home. You're not allowed to watch it.